Welcome to this fascinating journey across Greenland, a magnificent Arctic land that has captured global attention, including that of Donald Trump, who has expressed growing interest in acquiring this unique island. Together, we'll explore all 71 of Greenland's settlements, highlighting their remarkable diversity and cultural heritage. Let's begin. We begin our journey in Nuuk, the capital and largest city of Greenland, home to 19,872 residents. Nuuk is the cultural and economic heart of the island, featuring landmarks like the Greenland National Museum and the University of Greenland. Located in the Sisimiut municipality, Nuuk is surrounded by breathtaking fjords and offers a vibrant urban atmosphere. Next is Sisimiut, Greenland's second-largest city, with a population of 5,412. Situated in the Qeqertarsuaq municipality, Sisimiut boasts a history that spans over 4,500 years. It's renowned for its colorful houses, fishing opportunities, and stunning mountain views. Ilulissat, with a population of 4,963, is Greenland's third-largest settlement. Located in the Uummannaq municipality, it's famous for the Ilulissat Icefjord and the Jakobshavn Glacier, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A true gem for nature enthusiasts and explorers alike. Aasiaat, home to 3,120 people, is known as the town of whales, thanks to the frequent sightings of these magnificent creatures in nearby waters. Part of the Qeqertarsuaq municipality, Aasiaat is set amid a beautiful archipelago, offering incredible scenery and nature experiences. Qaqortoq, with 2,813 residents, is the largest town in southern Greenland. Located in the Qaqortoq municipality, it's famed for its open-air art installations and historical landmarks, such as the oldest fountain in Greenland. A cultural treasure of the south. Narsaq, a town of 1,876 people, is also part of the Qaqortoq municipality. Known for its picturesque landscapes and vibrant local culture, Narsaq is a center for agriculture and mining exploration, surrounded by lush green fields and towering icebergs. Maniitsoq, often referred to as the Venice of Greenland, has 1,296 inhabitants. Nestled in the Qeqertarsuaq municipality, the town is famous for its rugged fjords, excellent kayaking opportunities, and its rich Inuit heritage. Now, let's quickly explore the rest of Greenland's settlements, listed by size, along with their key details. Paamiut, Frederikshavn, 1,228 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Tasiilaq, Amassalik, 1,985 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Uummannaq, 1,313 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Upernavik, 1,158 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Nanortalik, 1,093 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Qasigiannguit, Christianshavn, 1,068 residents, Kekatalik municipality. Keqertarsuaq, Godhav, 838 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Qaanaaq, Tuli, 590 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Kangaatsiaq, 483 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Kangerlussuaq, Sendrastrumfjord, 517 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Kullorsuaq, 468 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Ittoqqortoormiit, Skorsbysund, 363 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Kangaamiut, GL Sukkatoppen, 285 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Tasiusaq, 258 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Saattut, 249 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Kuummiit, 269 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Ikerasak, 244 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Niaqornaarsuk, 223 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Kullorsuaq, Cap Dan, 227 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Nuuk, Kralshavn, 208 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Upernavik Qaqortoq, Sendra Upernavik, 197 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Atu, 195 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Atamik, 189 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Sermaligark, 198 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Inussuaq, 152 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Qaqortoq, 162 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Qeqertarsuaq, Fiskanese, 170 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Ilulissat, Sidproven, 141 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Ilulissat, 136 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Aasiaat, Uummannaq, 157 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Narsaq, Sudan, 155 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Kangerlussuaq, Preven, 124 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Narsaq, Blomsterdal, 141 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Qeqertak, N, 117 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Aasiaat, RDFRD, 99 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Ikerasak, 98 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Qasigiannguit, 97 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Narsaq, 69 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Ilulissat, 73 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Tasiilaq, 94 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Narsaq, Frederiksdal, 58 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Ittoqqortoq, 86 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Nanortalik, 71 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Paamiut, 75 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Tasiusaq, Bratali, 65 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Ijinufik, 68 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Qaanaaq, 62 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Sisimiut, Havagivik, 51 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Qaqortoormiit, Hundijland, 61 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Tasiusaq, 47 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Icebergs, 48 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Nuuk, 50 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Uummannaq, Qaqortoq, 48 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Qaqortoq, Laxguj, 41 residents, Sisimiut municipality. Narsaq, 43 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Uummannaq, Sletten, 32 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Sirapalak, Hayarapaluk, 35 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Niaqornaarsuk, 39 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Qaqortoq, Hollandshuk Reedy Bugt, 36 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Igaliku, Garar Igaliko, 33 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Qeqertarsuaq, 30 residents, Uummannaq municipality. Tasiilaq, 25 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. Sisimiut, Bidika, 14 residents, Qaqortoq municipality. And finally the smallest Kangerlussuaq, Discofjud, 13 residents, Qeqertarsuaq municipality. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of Greenland's 71 settlements. Each community, from the bustling Quinaque to the remote Kangerlussuaq, contributes to the rich cultural and natural heritage of this unique Arctic land. If you believe this video deserves it, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It means a lot.